everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can add a portable app to the start menu on Windows 10. Go ahead and download the portable app that you want to add to the start menu and place it in a folder that you know you won't accidentally delete the app from. Right-click it and select Create Shortcut from the context menu. Open File Explorer and navigate to this location. Create a new folder and give it the same name as the app. Copy the shortcut that you created and place it here. Open the Start menu and go to the Apps list, navigate to the app that you just added and expand its folder. Right-click the app's executable and then select the Pin to Start option from the context menu. And that should do the trick. As long as you do not move the app's executable file from its folder, you'll be able to use this tile to open the app. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.